Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a tutorial and a review on the new juviasplacethetaupes mini eyeshadow palette. I am going to be showing you guys some swatches, and I'm also going to be doing a tutorial on this eyeshadow look I am wearing right now. If you're interested, just keep watching, but first go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you. Also, I do have a tutorial for every Juvia's Place mini eyeshadow palette that I will link in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Let's start the video. Juvia's Place, the Taupes mini eyeshadow palette retails for $14. Has 3 shimmer shadows and 3 matte shadows. Starting on the top row, at the far left we have a light golden shimmer shadow. Moving on to the middle shade on the top row, we have a gray silver glitter flake shimmer eyeshadow. The top row far right, we have a matte light tan shadow. Starting on the bottom row, there is another matte light tan shadow. The third matte eyeshadow is a deep brown. And the third shimmer shadow is more of a rose gold. These shadows are extremely pigmented and the shimmer shadows are very creamy. I'm going to be using the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm going to be applying that to the outer corner and all along the crease of my eye. Now I am going to be blending that out with the light tan. I'm going to be blending it all along the eyeshadow I just applied. Lightly going into the lightest matte shade in the palette, I'm going to be blending out the eyeshadow even more so everything is blended together flawlessly. Now with concealer, I'm going to be cutting the crease. I am going to be taking the first shimmer shade in the palette, and I'm going to be applying that to most of the crease I just cut. I'm going to leave a little at the end for another shimmer shadow. Now I am going to be taking this silver gold shimmer glitter flake shadow, and I'm going to be applying that to the outer part of my crease, and I'm going to be blending it into the other shimmer and into the matte shadow. Now taking the darkest shade in the palette, I am going to be blending that into where the crease meets the matte shadow and blend it together where there is no harsh line. Again, with that darkest shadow, I'm going to be taking it and blending it all along my waterline. Now taking a blending brush with no product, I'm just going to be blending everything together even more. Okay guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.